Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today I have this project for you. It's a sphere with these channels. These small spheres can walk inside these channels. Remember you can download this drawing in the first link of the description. Let's start. If you want to do this project with this parameter design, we can apply some parameters here. The diameter of the small sphere is in this case 6 millimeters. That's okay. The diameter of the big sphere is the diameter of the small sphere multiplied by 10. Yes. The diameter of the primitive sphere is the diameter of the big sphere divided by 1.09 millimeters, because the relationship between this sphere is 6 millimeters divided by 55. That's okay. And the parameter with the line that is the diameter of the big sphere. That's okay. Now we can change in this cat. Diameter of the small sphere, okay, diameter of the big sphere, diameter of the primitive sphere, and the line. Be sure that this line is always be bigger than the diameter of this sphere. It's okay. And then the parameter of this small sphere, we can change this with diameter of the small sphere minus 0.1 millimeters. With that, we can change these parameters, for example 10 millimeters here. We resize the project. And we need to change this position manually. And slice this project to be okay. Get test, no interference. That's okay. We can resize this project as with what you want. How you can see, it's a simple one design, but we can print this project. Thank you to watch this tutorial. If you like this, leave a comment here below. You can download this ebook in the first link of the description. Thank you so much. See you in the next tutorial.